Dreaming of hitting six figures without grinding yourself into the ground? These AI-powered business ideas are your golden ticket. Whether you're a creative soul, a social media whiz, or an aspiring marketer, AI's got something to level up your game. Get ready to discover how you can leverage cutting-edge tech to make a bank while doing what you love. Today, we're diving into some next-level business ideas that are all about artificial intelligence. If you're hustling to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey or aiming to level up your current business, these AI-driven opportunities are your golden ticket to success. We're talking about transforming your vision into a six-figure reality by harnessing the sheer power of AI. So buckle up, because we're about to unleash some game-changing insights that'll set you apart from the competition. Now let's keep it real. AI isn't just for tech geeks or Silicon Valley startups anymore. It's for anyone ready to innovate and dominate in their field. From automating mundane tasks to predicting market trends with pinpoint accuracy, AI is reshaping the business landscape. So, whether you're looking to streamline operations, boost productivity, or create entirely new revenue streams, AI's got your back. 1. AI design. Are you passionate about design? With AI tools like DALL-E 3 and Midjourney, you can effortlessly create stunning visuals that captivate any audience. Start by using free services to build a diverse portfolio, showcasing your creative prowess. Once you have a solid collection, begin charging for your designs and watch your side hustle grow. Platforms like Canva and Microsoft Designer are perfect for crafting professional quality graphics that stand out in the market. Turn your passion into profit by leveraging the power of AI in design. 2. Faceless YouTube channel. Think you need to be on camera to succeed on YouTube? Think again! Start a faceless YouTube channel using tools like Claude for scripting, Canva, HeyGen, and CapCut for video creation, and 11 Labs for voiceovers. This setup allows you to produce engaging content while staying behind the scenes. Focus on creating value-packed videos that resonate with your audience, and watch your subscriber count and income grow, all without ever stepping in front of a camera. 3. Social media content creation. Automate your social media content creation with cutting-edge GPTs or bots. Tools like ChatGPT, Claude, Vondi, and Coz can help you create and schedule posts with efficiency and flair. Offer your automated content creation services to brands looking to boost their online presence. By providing consistent, high-quality content, you can help businesses engage with their audience while building a profitable venture for yourself. 4. AI art. Turn your creativity into cash by creating and selling AI-generated art tailored to your buyer's preferences. Tools like DALL-E 3, Midjourney, and Leonardo AI make this process a breeze. Market your unique creations on platforms like Etsy or through your own website, and attract art enthusiasts eager for one-of-a-kind pieces. With AI art, you can combine innovation and artistry to carve out a niche in the digital marketplace. 5. Affiliate marketing. Dive into the world of affiliate marketing by promoting products through blogs, newsletters, or social media channels using programs like Amazon Affiliate and Share a Sale. Leverage AI to optimize your marketing strategies, ensuring your content reaches the right audience and maximizes your revenue. By strategically promoting products and tracking your performance with AI, you can turn affiliate marketing into a substantial income stream. Ready to transform your business dreams into reality? Don't wait, start leveraging these AI business ideas today and watch your profits soar. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks to scale your hustle. Let's get back into it. 6. Chatbot sales. Build and sell chatbots designed for businesses that thrive on heavy customer interaction using tools like Coz.com. Develop sophisticated chatbots that handle customer inquiries efficiently, providing a valuable service to businesses seeking to enhance their customer support. By offering tailored chatbot solutions, you can tap into a market hungry for automation and improved customer experiences, making your business indispensable. 7. Print-on-demand designs. Harness the power of AI to create unique designs for print-on-demand products. Use ChatGPT to generate fresh ideas and sell your designs on platforms like Etsy. This approach allows you to reach a broad audience with minimal upfront investment. With eye-catching designs, you can attract customers looking for personalized products, turning your creative flair into a steady stream of income. 8. Courses. Leverage ChatGPT to create online courses that fill gaps in existing educational content. Identify unique topics or present popular subjects in a fresh way to stand out. Platforms like Udemy are perfect for selling your educational content to a global audience. By providing high-quality, engaging courses, you can establish yourself as an expert and generate significant revenue. 9. AI-enhanced photography. Enhance or create stunning digital photographs using AI tools like Imgupscala, PixelCut, and Vidnos. Offer your advanced editing services to real estate agents, marketers, and publishers who require high-quality images. By delivering professional-grade photos that stand out, you can attract clients willing to pay top dollar for your expertise. 10. Translation services. Provide AI-powered translation services using tools like ChatGPT, Claude, and DeepL. Market your services to businesses and academics who need accurate and efficient translations. With the ability to offer quick and precise translations, you can carve out a niche in a competitive market, turning your language skills into a profitable venture. 11. Voiceover services. Offer AI-generated voiceovers using top-tier tools like Descript, 11 Labs, Murph AI, and Lovo. Target YouTubers and e-learning platforms that need professional-sounding voiceovers without the hassle of traditional recording. By providing high-quality, versatile voiceovers, you can become the go-to source for creators looking to elevate their content, opening up a steady revenue stream. 12. Copywriting. Effortlessly craft compelling copy with the help of AI. Tools like Claude, known for their human-like writing style, can help you write engaging content for social media, newsletters, and more. By offering your copywriting services to businesses and influencers, you can help them connect with their audience while building a lucrative business for yourself. 13. Virtual event planning. Streamline the event planning process using AI tools like BigMarker and ClickUp for efficient guest management and scheduling. Offer your services for corporate meetings, webinars, or special occasions, ensuring seamless and well-organized events. By leveraging AI to handle the logistics, you can focus on creating memorable experiences that clients will rave about, turning event planning into a profitable venture. 14. Blog writing. Use AI models like Claude to write high-quality blogs effortlessly. Enhance your blog writing with SEO optimization and trending topic identification using tools like Google Trends. Offer your services to bloggers and businesses who need top-notch content to drive traffic and engagement. By delivering well-researched SEO-friendly articles, you can establish a reputation as a reliable content creator and rake in substantial income. 15. YouTube script writing. Step into the role of a YouTube video scriptwriter, creating scripts that captivate and retain viewers. Use storytelling techniques, relatable content, and clear structures to craft engaging scripts. By offering your scriptwriting services to YouTubers, you can help them grow their channels and boost viewer engagement, making your expertise in high demand and highly profitable. All right, there you have it. A treasure trove of AI-powered business ideas guaranteed to take your hustle to the next level. From designing eye-catching visuals and creating faceless YouTube channels to offering translation services and virtual event planning, these opportunities are your ticket to financial freedom. The future is here, and AI is the key to unlocking endless possibilities. So whether you're just starting or looking to scale up, now's the time to jump on the AI wave and make your mark. Ready to turn these ideas into action? Don't just sit on the sidelines. Dive in and start building your empire today. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks to elevate your business game. Share your journey with us in the comments below. We can't wait to see what you achieve. Let's get out there and make those six-figure dreams a reality.